I've got some cromlech pieces here, miniatures that I've based in white, just painted them plain white, just with some white surfacer. Hi, it's Michael here from the Hobby Man and Hearns Hobbies in Melbourne, Australia. Just wanting to show off a couple of Green Stuff World products, specifically their wash ink range, and just to show what can be done with those. I've got some cromlech pieces here, miniatures that I've based in white, just painted them plain white, just with some white surfacer. And then one coat, maybe two of the various wash inks. I'll show you what they look like. That, as a for instance, is the Green Stuff World Wash Ink Ancient Sepia. You can see it there. And what we come up with are pieces that look a little bit like this. And this here, you can see some of the detail that we got out of that. I'll zoom in on those just a little bit. So, we've got that one there. And you can see how the wash ink seeps into all of the crevices and makes them really pop with the contrast, and runs off the raised areas, so it gives you that real great texture. Here's another one. It's done in a slightly different colour. You can see just on a white base with one layer of paint what kind of results you can get. This one here is a different colour, but yeah, again, you can see the amazing level of detail that you can get with just one layer of paint. It's a water-based paint, dries pretty quickly, and yeah, great stuff. So for speed painting and to get a great wash effect, I recommend the Green Stuff World Wash Inks. That one's Ancient Sepia, this rather grubby bottle has been used. And I'm not going to pronounce that, I'm going to get it wrong. Andalusian Earth and Peckenham Flesh. Now the Peckenham Flesh I would specifically recommend for Caucasian skin colours. If you put that over a pale skin colour, you'll actually get a really nice warm skin tone. It's a really good wash ink to use. No worries. So this has been Michael, and I've been showing off Green Stuff World Wash Inks.